parenting is the most challenging journey you will ever take. Today, we explore the powerful art of planned ignoring together. Imagine you are in a busy supermarket. Your child starts screaming for cereal. Everyone is looking at you right now. You feel your heart beat fast. Should you yell or give in? What if you did nothing at all today? Silence is a tool. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do for your child is to simply walk away. We often think love means responding to every cry. But strategic silence can be the greatest gift for their growth. Your attention is like a valuable currency. Use it wisely to shape your child's character and their future good habits. To understand this method, we must look at the world through a child's eyes. Everything is a big social experiment. For a young child, your attention is like oxygen. They need it to feel connected and safe in this world. A child prefers your anger over being ignored. Even negative attention is better than no attention from you at all. When they misbehave, they are testing the boundaries. They want to see how you will react to their loud noise. They wonder if screaming will get them that toy. They are running a small experiment to see if they win. When we react with loud anger, we accidentally reward the bad behavior. We give them the energy they are seeking. The child learns that making a lot of noise is the fastest way to get mom or dad to listen. Many parents fear that ignoring a child will cause harm. They worry about the emotional bond they have built together. Remember, ignoring the behavior is not the same as ignoring the child. You are still there to protect their soul. You are keeping them safe while refusing to join the drama. You stay calm while they find their own peace. Let's look at the famous still face experiment. This Harvard study shows how much children need our emotional response. In the study, a mother plays happily with her baby. There is so much laughter and warm connection between them. Then the mother suddenly stops reacting. Her face becomes very neutral. The baby tries everything to get her attention back. The baby smiles, points, and finally starts to cry. This proves how powerful your reaction is to your young child. We use this power by removing attention during a tantrum. Your reaction is the prize they are trying to win. By staying quiet, you teach them that being calm is the only way to connect with you in this house. Planned ignoring is a teaching strategy. It is not being cold. It requires a very strong and patient heart today. First, choose which behaviors to ignore. Focus on whining or making faces. These are small actions for seeking attention. Never ignore dangerous actions. If they are hurting others or breaking things, you must intervene and stop them immediately. Second, cut off all communication. Do not look them in the eye during the outburst. Look away or stay busy. Do not argue, yell, or explain. Just keep doing your own work. Your silence is a very loud message now. Third, wait for the extinction burst. It always gets louder before it stops. Do not give in at this stage. This burst means the child is trying their hardest to get you back. Stay steady. The silence is finally working. Stay strong. You are the leader. Your consistency will teach them how to handle their own big feelings and emotions. Praise them the very moment they become quiet. Give them your full love and attention when they are being calm. Say, "I love how you are talking so calmly to me now." Reward the peace with your warm smile today. This method is not a punishment. It is a protective way to guide them through their most difficult, loud moments. You protect the child from their own scary feelings. You help them learn to calm down on their very own. You also protect yourself from burnout. Parenting requires much energy. Taking a break from drama helps you stay healthy. When you stay calm in the storm, you send a message of love. You are big enough for them. You show them you are strong enough to handle their anger. You are a safe harbor for your little one. I will wait for you on the other side of your emotions. We will meet again when you are calm. You are doing a great job. Parenting takes a lot of heart and patience. Keep moving forward with deep love. Every calm moment builds a better future. Your child is learning from your example every single day of their life. Consistency is the secret key to changing behavior. Stick to the plan and watch the beautiful results happen very soon. Don't let the loud noise disturb your inner peace. You have the power to stay quiet and stay loving today. Your child is learning self-control by watching you. Your behavior is the best textbook they will ever read in life. It is okay to take a deep breath. Use that breath to find your center before you choose to ignore. This choice creates a peaceful atmosphere for the whole family. Everyone benefits when you lead with a very calm heart. You're teaching them that kindness and quiet words get the best results in this home and in the world. Ignoring the bad behavior helps the good behavior grow. You are like a gardener tending to a very beautiful flower. Stay steady like a captain. Your child feels safe when they know you are the one in total control here. No more power struggles or fighting. Just simple rules, clear boundaries, and an ocean of unconditional love for your child. Today is a brand new start. You can choose a different path for your family and find more peace together. Be patient with yourself. This is a new skill. It takes time to master the art of planned ignoring today. You are not alone on this journey. Millions of other parents are practicing these same skills with you right now. Focus on the positive moments today. When you see something good, give it all of your beautiful, glowing light. A quiet answer stops a loud scream. You have the power to change the energy in your room instantly today. Trust your instincts. You know your child best. Stay calm and wait for the storm to pass through the house. You are building a bridge of mutual respect. This bridge will last a lifetime as your child grows up healthy. Let the tantrum pass like a dark cloud in the sky. The sun is always waiting on the other side. Your home can be a place of joy. Use your attention to reward the happiness you want to see more. Children thrive when rules are clear. They feel safer when they know exactly what to expect from you every day. Your love is the strong foundation. Everything your child becomes starts with the safety and love you provide right now. Take a deep breath. You are stronger than any tantrum. You can handle this moment with grace and quiet power. Choose peace over being right. In the heat of anger, your silence is the most effective teacher for your child. Every single day is a fresh chance. You can be the calm, loving parent you have always wanted to be. Watch how your child changes. When you change your reaction, they will slowly change their behavior to match your calm. You are the mirror for your child. If you stay calm, they will eventually find their own inner peace too. Love is the most powerful force. Use it to guide them through the loud moments and back to the quiet. Thank you for watching. Your dedication to your family is a beautiful thing. Keep leading with your very calm heart. Subscribe for more tips. We are here to help your family grow together in peace, love, and mutual understanding. A happy home starts with you. Your calm presence is the light that guides your children every single day. Join our community of parents today. We share advice and support each other through all the difficult parenting moments. Tap the bell icon. Never miss a new story about parenting with heart, patience, and the power of silence. Your journey is beautiful and important. We will see you in the next video as we learn and grow together. Subscribe now for more wisdom. A calm and happy home is just one click away from you right now. Keep shining your light. You are a wonderful parent, and your children are lucky to have your love today. Final thoughts: kindness is quiet, and love is patient. Thank you for choosing a more peaceful way to parent.